Hi guys, this is Zubel Ahmed. Today I am going to show you how to install WordPress in your local computer within very short time. So let's get started. To install WordPress in your local computer, first of all you have to install XAMPP server in your computer. XAMPP server will allow you to install WordPress in your local computer. Especially XAMPP server will work as a web server, although it will work in your local computer. Here another solution, uh, WAMP server. You can also use WAMP server like XAMPP server. So today's video I will use XAMPP server. XAMPP server is very easy to use. I will show you how to use that. In the video description I will insert this software link. You can download from there. So let's start now. I have installed XAMPP server and also opened start Apache and MySQL, and then we have to click explore. Now scroll down and click on htdocs and make a folder here where we shall keep WordPress. I made a folder named wp installs. Double click here and we have to keep here WordPress. So now we have to download WordPress from wordpress.org. Now I am not downloading WordPress because I have already downloaded this one. Copy and paste it into this folder and extract this folder here. It's about complete. Yes, now delete this folder, double click on it, select all this file and cut it, because we have to keep this into root folder, and paste it here. Yeah, now delete this because this is now empty. Yeah, now remember we have made a folder wp installs, and now you have to write here localhost /wp. You have made a folder like wp installs. It's taking time. Yeah, we got this data wizard of WordPress. Click on continue. Let's go. Now what is saying here? Database name, username, password, database host and table prefix. Now we have to make a database. To make a database in local computer, you have to write php myadmin after localhost, then enter. Now we shall be redirected to database of localhost. Yeah. Now click on database and now database name. Create. Oh, there is already a database with this name. Yeah, test WP. Keep it. Remember that we have made a database name test WP. This will be needed now. So here has to write database name WP and localhost root. Keep in mind that localhost username always root, password no need, like this, and database host localhost keep as it is, and prefix test w. This is table prefix. Run installation. About complete. Admin username admin, keep as it is. You can change it whatever you like as username and password. This will be your WordPress dashboard user and password. We can set a email, search engine discourage, uninstall WordPress. And this is the way how you can install WordPress in your local host. This is very simple and easiest way, especially when you are a WordPress beginner and practicing to build WordPress website. Then you can use localhost because it's totally free of cost. And after building your total WordPress website into localhost, then you can transfer it to your domain and hosting. So let's build it now. Yeah, you can see this our new installation website. Just now we have installed this one. This is default template of WordPress. So this is all how you can install WordPress in your local computer. I hope this video will be very helpful for you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and comments. Also subscribe the channel because I am going to publish a kind of helpful video in this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Take care.